Hi, I'm Andrew here with Baker's Gas, and we're here today with the all-new Star-Spangled themed helmet from Lincoln Electric. So this is the 3350 Advanced version, so it has the light up front. This is the all-new graphic. You can see it pretty awesome. It's like a black and gray with stars and stripes. It's got all the graphics on there. Very, very nice helmet. Very good looking helmet. Been very, very popular. So just on the 3350 itself, though, this is the advanced one. So if you want this graphic, you have to get the advanced version with the light. It only comes on that model. Not too bad of a deal on these units here. So the ADV has the light, and then next to it I have the 3350 non-ADV. So this is the original one, the old style. It has the analog switches. It's still no light up top, grind button on the outside, but you can see the ADV grind light. Then you have grind button and the light button for that, and then they went to an all-new digital interface. No more analog on this new ADV. So pretty awesome hood. Great warranties on these. So there's a 5-year warranty on all Lincoln hoods now. I just did one last night. They really don't ask questions. If it breaks, anything busts, they ask a couple of questions about what actually broke or what the model was. You got to give them the serial number. Super simple, great to deal with, but that's an awesome new graphic. We're going to link this down below. Check it out. If you guys got any questions, comments, or anything on this helmet, please leave those down below and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for some more.